on, close your eyes. Come on. 1,
2.
spin it. 2, 3. Or no? Is that 3? Okay. Alright, Riley, go ahead.
Just spin a 5.
1, 3, 4. Go ahead and spin. That's it?
Just
4. 5, 5, 5.
Goodbye, world. Plug into the first one. I'm shaking.
Put your face through. There you go.
Click it till it comes up and hits you in the face.
Keep your eyes closed and you'll never know.
Do it, Ava. I will click it for you. You won't even touch it in the face. It's not even gonna get it because your face is too far in.
Just click it. You're fine.
Click it. Put
You
your
gotta at
face
least
in
get your
more.
chin to the edge, honey. Get your
It's
chin.
not gonna touch it at all. It's not gonna touch you, Ava.
Get your chin in.
Ava, that's how you play the game. It won't work if you don't.
Oh.
Party poop. Hey guys. Stop making that face. I can't.